Walking through a hallway with no doors, echoes of my name, but they don't feel like yours. Shadows with my face try to take my light. I was dancing with the dark every night. Carry oceans in a paper cup, spilling every time I tried to drink enough. Mirrors told me stories I outgrew, still believing what I never knew. Somewhere in the silence I heard a spark, whisper in the wind saying this ain't your heart. Now the sky is talking back in gold. Every tear I cried turned into something whole. I was lost in a storm, couldn't see the shore. Now the waves lay me down like never before. It's the light breaking through my veins, like the sun remembering my name. All the nights that I thought I'd break were just cracks letting in the day. Oh, it's gonna be okay. It's okay, okay. Sun on me, calling me. Ooh, yeah. I was stitching on my soul with thread too thin. Every promise that I made would cave me in. Built a home in a place that couldn't stay. Now I'm breathing in a different way. Gravity was pulling at my skin, like the world didn't want me to begin. But the moon kept calling out my truth, even when I tried to cut it loose. Deep in the distance I felt a shift, like the pain I was holding was starting to live. Now the sky is talking back in gold. Every tear I cried turned into something whole. I was lost in the storm, couldn't see the shore. Now the waves lay me down like never before. It's the light breaking through my veins, like the sun remembering my name. All the nights that I thought I'd break were just cracks letting in the day.